Okay, where's the egg salad? Oh, oh. Is this it? Oh, yep, that's it. Here's the bread. Guess I'm gonna do bagels. That's the best egg salad sandwich I've ever seen. Oh, time to put the ingredients away. Now time to eat my beautiful bagel. Whoa, wait, come on. Not again. Okay. Who the fuck did it? Okay, come on, seriously, who did it?